Welcome back. With me, I have Mike from Papa Joe's Italian restaurant. So, what do you have for us today?
So we're talking emotional health, and I'm thinking snack foods or entree foods that make you feel better.
Yeah.
Sometimes people are sad. You think they might want to have ice cream or chocolate. So I kind of wanted to make a real simple parfait with yogurt for the probiotics, some fresh fruits, and whole grain, gluten-free granola to increase the serotonin, which makes you feel better.
Yeah.
Way better than eating that sugary bowl of ice cream. It's good, but this is a lot better.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to put it together, and you can kind of talk about what I'm doing here because we have a goat yogurt.
Yeah, so with goat yogurt, it's interesting that you chose goat yogurt. Goat is one of those dairy products that's really easy to digest. So it's really good for your digestive system, doesn't put stress on it at all. Also has all these probiotics, and your gut is considered as the second brain because there's so many neurotransmitters that are produced in the gut. So by supporting your intestinal tract, with probiotic, you feel happier.
And I mean, it looks good. It's going to taste great.
Yeah.
And it is good for that emotional boost.
Exactly. And a lot of times when you feel a little bit down, you don't have the energy to cook a lot. So this is quick, and instead of getting that sugar high, and which comes in with the sugar drop, this will sustain you.
And real quick, just as for an entree, we have a fresh red bell pepper, again, whole grain brown rice, a little beef that I rendered the fat out of, and some veggies. Stuff them. They go in the oven for about 15 minutes. It looks good. You're going to feel good about eating it. It's also going to provide you with those good whole grains.
Yeah.
The veggies. It makes you feel better, and it's better for you.
Yeah. So just eating colorful food has a huge impact on how you feel emotionally. And also the grains, they have a lot of minerals, they have a lot of B vitamins, and all of them are crucial in order to be able to feel happy. You get energy, and it supports your brain function.